Bengaluru's residential communities step off the elevator and onto the pitch. Brit Sports Management launches CPL 26, a professional-grade, inter-society box cricket league designed to combat urban isolation and rebuild community belonging across apartment complexes. Brit Sports Management today announced the Community Premier League 2026, CPL 26. An inter-society box cricket tournament set to transform to action-packed weekends April 25 to 26 and May 2nd to 3rd into a celebration of neighborhood sport, rivalry, and community pride at the Atal Bihari Vajpayee Stadium, HSR. CPL 26 is built on a simple but urgent insight: in a city where neighbors rarely know each other's names, sport is the fastest bridge. The tournament delivers a full professional experience, complete with DRS, decision review system, ICC-aligned rules, live umpiring, and a 1 lakh rupees prize pool at a community level. A lot can happen over a game of cricket, said Varun Carrot, founder of Brit Sports Management. We are not just organizing matches. We are giving busy professionals and families permission to play again, and in doing so, building a tighter, more connected Bengaluru. The tournament features a fast-paced box cricket format played within a basketball court-style arena, where walls and boundaries become active parts of the game. Strict bowling constraints and a 10-ball per batter limit ensure every squad member sees action, making CPL 26 as inclusive as it is competitive. CPL 26 is backed by sponsors Basil, IZ, Amba LG, and Fruits and Desserts, with logistical support from BBMP and the encouragement of Hobbieli MLA Shri N. Satish Reddy, a signal that community-led sport is gaining real institutional recognition in urban India. Brit Sports Management plans to take the CPL blueprint to other Indian cities, weaving a healthier, more connected social fabric across the country's urban landscape. CPL 26 is where that mission begins.
Great organization. Very excited to be a part of this CPL 2026. We have been having this kind of a box cricket tournament in our society for last 9-10 years now, and it has been going great. I mean, we started off, as someone mentioned earlier, right? We started off with like 2 teams. It increased to 6. Right now there are 20 teams, and we have players like less than 14 years of players playing, even in the senior tournament, along with girls, ladies playing. We have senior citizens playing in our tournament. We have a different tournament for the kids. We have a different tournament for we have practice matches, and we have exhibition matches for the senior citizens. So I mean, I think the whole objective for Varun and Annie and the whole team was to take this outside of Greenwich, bring it to Bangalore, see how it goes, and then maybe expand it to the whole nation, because I think it's a fantastic idea. It gives a great opportunity for everyone to be a part of. It doesn't require a lot of physical activity. It is a very safe space, and the team gets, everyone gets to play together. You get to know a lot of different people. You get to know a lot of different people from outside your society. I mean, it's a great opportunity for everyone to know a lot of other people, and for the organizing team to like just put their stamp on the sports map of the country. So very excited to be a part of it. Thank you.
Why you mentioned as a box tournament?
Because it is played in a very smaller field, which is typically in our society when we play, it's a basketball court. Because it's covered from all the 4 sides, it's open from the top, and it's like because you don't have to like run a lot and field a lot. So anyone who wants to play or who have not played at a very high level, they can play a part in this tournament, and it is like too much fun, because any competitive game of cricket is good fun to have over the weekend. Thank you so much.
Here, Community Premier League, everyone is so excited. We are bringing the box cricket tournament onto this field in a basketball arena right at HSR, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Stadium. We have food and fun stalls also being set up, so we just don't want the players to come and keep playing and getting bored and getting scolded behind from their families. We want them to bring their families with them. play with them, see them watch, and share that emotion. So we are very excited to bring this first season and hoping it to be a real success. All the captains are excited, sponsors are excited, influencers are excited, and our team is definitely excited. So looking forward to have you all at HSR Stadium, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Stadium on 25th, 26th April and 2nd, 3rd of May. Thank you. Cheers.
ಹಾಯ್ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಸೆಂಟ್ ಜಾನ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಅಖಿಲೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ವೈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಜಾನ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಜಯಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಹುಡುಗರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ರಂಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು. ರಂಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಜಾನ್ಸ್ ವುಡ್ ಜಯಂಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ, ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಥೂಸಿಯಾಸಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ವೇ ಹಿ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್, with the way he started communicating with us. So each of us from then, ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲವಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟಿಗೂ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿ 2 ಟೀಮನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬಸ್ಸಿಲ್ ನಡೆಸುವ ಈ CPL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಗೇಮ್. So thankful to all the organizers, all the sponsors for letting us having such a beautiful tournament. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.